Good morning, my dear students. Hope you are doing well at home. So today, as you can see on the screen, the topic is prepositions. So let's it go. What do you mean by preposition? So preposition tells us the position of something, as it is clear by the name preposition. So preposition tells us the position of something in relation to another. So what is the perfect definition for this? A preposition is a word which is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with something else in the sentence. So when we talk about preposition, there are three types of preposition based on their use in a sentence. The prepositions are divided into categories of, first is preposition of place, preposition of time and preposition of movement. So first is preposition of place. So what is the definition for this? Preposition of place refer to those preposition which can be used to show where something is located. Preposition of place. Here are some examples of preposition of place. For example, above, up, after, on, before, against, by, behind, below, along, near, down, in, at. These are the preposition of place: inside, between, over. For example, few sentences are also here. The aeroplane is flying above the clouds. So where is the aeroplane flying? Above the clouds. The dog buried the bone under the ground. So where? Under. Our house is at the end of the street. The cat can cross the road. So these are the examples of preposition of place. Next is preposition of time. So what is preposition of time? A preposition of time helps to link the noun or pronoun with the time value. It functions as an indicator as to what point of time did an event occur. For example, about, before, for, by, around, in, ago, at, past, since, to, on, after, until, between, during. Example, the train is about an hour late. The classes begins at 8 o'clock. My birthday falls on Wednesday. India has been independent since 1947. So before months we use in January, in February. Before dates we use on 25th December, on 1st January. And before time, particular time, we say at 8 o'clock, at 9 o'clock. So these are preposition of time. Next is preposition of movement. So preposition of movement is used to show movement to or from a place. Examples are down, into, behind, onto, through, over, on, across. For example, the cat has climbed up a tree. The children got off the bus. She ran along the pavement. The bus goes towards the market. Now this is exercise. The books are in the cupboard. The dog is, where is the dog? Under the chair. The apple is on the book. So these are the preposition of place. Right? In the cupboard, under the chair, on the book. Next, the horse is jumping over the wall. The boy is writing on the blackboard. The rat is near the cat. So these are the prepositions. Fine. Now I hope preposition is clear to you, and when we will do book exercise, it will be more clear. Fine. So thank you. Have a nice day.